Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this fantastic 67 registered Jaguar XF R Sport. Now this is the 2 litre 180 brake horsepower engine. It's got the silky smooth 8-speed ZF gearbox and I must admit I love these cars. They have to be arguably the best prestige value car on the used market money can buy. So you tell me where you can buy a 4-year-old car which looks as good as that, which cost nigh on more than £40,000 4 or 5 years ago and still looks as good today as it did when it left the factory. Now this is the Corris grey metallic, so in this sunshine here now I'm going to show you how nice that colour looks. My favourite colour, Corris grey, whether it be in Land Rover, whether it be in Jaguar. Mountain grey is the same colour when it's in Mercedes, but it's an absolutely superb colour. Now this car's got the exterior black package, so as we go around it, all the external trim work is done in high gloss piano black finish. Now this car's got the 19-inch optional extra upgrade wheels, and the previous keepers obviously done the calipers in red. Black package comes with black power vents in the wings. They're normally silver, and we do get the R Sport decal in there as well. Taking a look around the window trims, they're all in high gloss black finish, and then coming round to the front of the car, that's where you notice exactly the high gloss finish. Normally the Jaguar gets the silver ring round the grille, but in a black package it gets all black. We've got the S badge there because obviously she wants it to think it's a 3 litre V6, and then we get the Jaguar in red. The blades in the front bumper also, they are in the high gloss. Now this car's got front and rear parking sensors, which is an option, and again all the wheels are in outstanding superb condition. When we take it into detailing in the workshop, before you collect it, they will be removed, they'll be washed inside and out, polished, so they look like they're brand new wheels. Again, power vents both sides, superb. Looking down the passenger side, the car is free from dent man ding, trolley dent, etc., and is in lovely, lovely order. The black high gloss finish looks fantastic. Coming round to the rear, then you get the blade across the back of the boot also. All the wheels, I'm going to show you them all because this is as they are and they come into us, but they're all in fantastic order. The car is in superb condition, let me tell you that. Reversing camera is there as well. I'll pop open the boot and you get a massive boot in these, absolutely huge. As you can see there, you'll fit your golf clubs, your pram, you name it, you'll fit it in. You've got the tyre inflation device as well, and the AdBlue because it is a Euro 6 vehicle. Coming round the tail, you've got the diffuser and then the twin tailpipes there, Jaguar XF insignia and the 2 litre diesel. As I say, this is a 180. They do a 240, but they're rare. The 180 is ample power. Driver's side again is as good as the passenger. Everything is in lovely order around the petrol flap, no marks where somebody's been careless. You can tell that the last owner has really cherished this car. It really is an exceptional car, riding on Continental tyres all round also. But that gives you an idea of the type of person who's owned it. Inside you could get 4 styles of interior on these Jaguars. You could get full black, black and red, black and ivory, and black and blue. This has got to be the best colour combination you can get. A real sense of occasion, real delight. So we got the ivory leather, which is in superb order. We also then get the gloss black piano detail on the door and the graphite silver. The seats are all superb, semi-analysed, so they're perforated so they don't get sweaty and breathe superb. But they are all in mega order. Aluminium pedal set and then the silver trim as you enter the car itself. So jumping into the car, we can see we've got 43,423 miles. I'll start her up. You can see we've got no warning lights on the dashboard or anything like that. I'll shut the door and then it runs through the system. 80 miles of diesel in the tank. But what a lovely, lovely car. So, features-wise, we get multifunction leather steering wheel, cruise control. We've got the paddle shift. If you decided I want to drive like a manual, you can drive them. Automatic headlamps and then also automatic wipers. Seats are super comfortable. They are lovely, lovely bolsters. Driving modes, depending on the weather. And there we have that little wheel, the 8-speed ZF box. Climate control is dual zone, so you can adjust it for the passenger and the driver. We've then got heated seats on this little button here, which they will then come up on the screen. You can switch them on. Up in the left corner we do have the home button, and that will then take us to the DAB radio, climate control, satellite navigation and phone. Just press the screen to whichever you want on and they will appear as and when. Cameras obviously, reverse in there. If you do put it in reverse, the lines will appear as the parking space. The two outer ones are the car park, the two inner ones are your wheels of the vehicle, so you can get it spot on. Auto dim front mirror, so nobody puts the lights on and blinds you. But let's just have a look at the onboard fuel. So for the last 5,024 miles, it's been doing an average of 38 miles an hour and doing 48.9 miles to the gallon. Considering the cost of fuel these days, that is a super fuel efficiency, isn't it? So it's going to cost you, you're going to get just short of 50 miles to the gallon. Lovely leather detailing on the top of the dashboard, coming down to the passenger door. The leather on the passenger seat obviously is even better than the driver because of the infrequentness of probably its satin. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last owner didn't smoke. The car smells lovely, fresh and clean. Aluminium and graphite runs through the dashboard, and as we get out of the car you can see how nice that dashboard does look. Very welcoming cockpit this. Lovely environment to be in for a long time. Now in the rear of the vehicle, that is again as good as the front. The seats are Isofix, and in there you would think you were the Prime Minister if you were being driven in the rear. That is limousine quality. Coming through to the door, the ivory leather works onto there as well, and then we get the gloss black detail. But a beautiful example. Now we always have 2, 3, 4 of these in at Alpha. They are arguably, this and the XE are the best Jaguar that I believe has ever been made. F-Paces are brilliant, F-Types, but these are fantastic value for money. Luxury, 50 mile to the gallon cars. What more do you want? Black package, 19-inch wheels, a super example. There are a couple of stone chips that we've touched in with our pencil. This is a super car. Best colour in my opinion, with the black package out running on 19s. Combination with the leather is absolutely to die for. So, if you want to reserve this vehicle with us, we take a £250 fully refundable deposit. If you've got a part exchange, when you arrive, we can give you a price, or if you want a price over the phone, we'll give you that. Just give us an honest description of your car and we can give you a price from that. The finance documentation and figures can all be sent through on a secure portal, so we can do everything. Your reservation deposit is fully refundable if when you get to us it is not what you want. Simple as that, really. Have a look at our advert, the service documentation's there. It's got a full Jaguar service history. Nice things, these are serviced every 21,000 miles or 2 years. So yeah, thinking about running costs, brilliant also. So I'm Graham, there's Dom and there's Lee in sales. Either one of us will be happy to help you in any way. So give us a call here in Wigan. Have a look at our social media, you'll see lots of customers like you collecting cars. Have a look at our reviews, you'll see we're a 5-star family-owned dealership, have been for over 40 years here in sunny Wigan. But let me say thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.